Zach here with Cosmic Academy, and today I want to show you how to get a lot more from a basic loop. You'll see we're starting with a basic kick drum and top loop. Now I can use this, but it's boring. There's nothing special about the loop. By chopping this loop up and isolating each of the individual hits, I could put the shakers on their own channel, the claps, the open hat, and this gives me control over each individual element rather than the group as a whole. For example, on the shakers, I could add some overdrive, EQ to boost the high end, a nice auto pan to move left and right. On the claps, I can flatten them with a soft clipper, boost the high end, put a delay so they repeat a little bit. And with the open hat, I can create subtle volume automations. Now, I can't do this if I tried to apply it to the entire loop. Now you could check out the difference between the process loop versus the original.